Hey there! Welcome to Vizcaya Museum and Gardens, a place where history meets the present in the most inspiring way. You might know Vizcaya for its beautiful gardens and historic architecture, but did you know it's also a hub for agricultural education and community wellness? Our urban garden is a living classroom where students learn to grow their own food. Imagine kids getting their hands dirty, planting seeds, and watching them grow into delicious veggies. These are hands-on experiences where students dig in the soil, harvest ingredients, and prepare healthy snacks, learning gardening techniques, nutrition, and gaining a lifelong appreciation for vegetables along the way. The best part? Kids take their new skills home, sparking dinner table conversations about healthy eating and inspiring their families to make better food choices together. We also support our amazing teachers with professional development training that equips them with the tools they can use in their classrooms. Every Sunday, our farmers market brings the community together in a vibrant, welcoming space to enjoy fresh produce, connect with local makers, share recipes, create plant-based art, and discover simple ways to eat healthier. Our wellness programs use urban agriculture to connect the community with hands-on workshops in composting, cooking, planting, and more. Promoting climate resilience, sustainable farming, and healthier choices for all, while even providing staff with fresh, locally harvested produce through CSA boxes. Vizcaya is committed to nurturing a healthier, more connected community. Together, we can make a difference, one seed at a time.